In this lesson, I will show you which type of orders do you have in MT4 and MT5 Android app version. I will start first with the MT4 and then I will switch to the MT5, where you will see which market execution and also pending order types you have in MT4 and MT5. There is a slight difference between MT4 and MT5, and you will see which difference are there. First of all, you need to open MT4 app. I will have it right away, and here it is. It is open EURUSD with the daily time frame chart, and on the chart you need to click the button to open a new order. The button to open a new order is in the upper right corner with a plus sign. Click on it and a new window will appear. This window shows you which type of orders do you have, and here in this drop-down menu you can select which order type you want to open. First of all, you have a market execution, and then below that you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. There is a difference between these 5 orders. First order is the market execution, and the market execution means you will open order at the price that is currently on the market. And what you can see, the current price is 1.00258,260, around this price. When you send the order to the broker server, you will get confirmation that the new order is open at the market price. But there could be slight difference between the price that you have requested, for example 1.00260, and the open price, because in time when you send a request to the broker server, there could be slight change in the price and you will receive a new price confirmation. That is the market execution. It means that you will open order at the current price what you see on the market. Then there are 4 other orders which are called pending orders. Pending orders represents an order that will be open in the future when the price on the market, which is 1.00266, reaches the entry level for the order that you have specified. That means you can specify a pending order, which means it's waiting for the market price to reach a certain price to be opened. And that means, for example, if the current price is 1.00260 is the market price, and you want to open an order when the price comes here to 1.00265, then the order will open. Is it buy or sell order? You can select these 2 types. But also on the other side there is a possibility to open a pending order below this market price, for example 1.00250, and then you wait until the market price reaches that level. So those are pending orders: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. For example, I will use a buy limit just to show you more details what means a pending order. A pending order, for example, buy limit, is the order where you expect the price to reach first. Just a minute, this is a stop loss, I will delete this one. Here, where is the price, you select at which price you want to open this buy limit. And buy limit means when the price is above, for example 1.00260, and if I put the price to 1.00250, I'm waiting the price to reach this level 1.00250 and then open a buy order, which means I'm expecting the price will reverse and go up. This is the buy limit. Same case is for the sell limit. Sell limit you would put above the current market price at 1.00270 and wait until the price reaches that level. Pending order means you do not need to wait in front of your Android version app. You just click place, for example like now I will put order is open, and that means the market will wait until it reaches this price level. For example, I will put here for the time frame on M1, so it is easier to look at. You can see I have opened a buy limit pending order and I'm waiting until the price reaches this level. When it reaches, it will open a buy order where I am expecting the price will go up. If it goes down, I will lose money. So these order types is available in MT4. I will click another one so you can see it. So it is a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. I will not go through each of these orders which are available in MT4 and how they are working, because you have in the description below this video an article where I show you how to open different pending orders and what are the conditions, so you can see and learn more about them. Now I will show you what is a market execution, just to show you what is the difference between pending and also market execution order. So when I have a market execution, I will just click, for example, sell, and I will get confirmation that the order is open at the current price, which is on the market, or slightly different. Check it. It's open at 1.00260. Now you can see that I have opened a sell order, which is currently already open, and there is a buy limit pending order, which is still not open. When I go to the trade tab here, you can see that positions that are currently open is EURUSD sell. That is the market execution order. And below are orders that are still waiting until the price reaches them, the entry level. And the entry level is 1.00250, and that is a buy limit pending order. So this is the difference between these two types of orders, and they are available on the MetaTrader 4 app. Now I will show you MetaTrader 5 version so you can see what is the difference. Here is the MT5 version. What you can see on MT5 version, there is a slight difference in the visual design, but again, on the chart, click on the upper right corner where is the plus sign. This is the button to open a new order. Click on it and then you will get the similar window like in MT4. Here we have the first row where is the order types. In the MT4 it was saying market execution, but here in MT5 it is instant execution. So it is slightly different words, but it is the same meaning. If it is instant execution, you will open at the price which is on the market right now, or slightly different depending on the server, how fast it is and which price he can offer you. But when you click sell or buy, you will open an order close to this market price. Then you have here on the drop-down menu 6 additional order types which are pending orders. Compared to the MT4, you have first 4 same as in MT4: buy limit, sell limit, buy stop and sell stop. But there are additional 2 in MT5 which are buy stop limit and sell stop limit. These 2 are not available in MT4 and it is only available in MT5 version. Again, I will not go through each of these pending orders, but you can see a link in the description below this video to learn more about pending orders in MetaTrader trading platform. I will open instant execution order just to show you how this looks. I will click sell. I will not put stop loss and take profit because it's not necessary, but if you want, you can do that. Click sell and it's done. The trade is open. Positions are here located, EURUSD sell. When you go to the chart, you can immediately see this sell order, and I will change the time frame to M1 so it is easier to see it on the chart. You can see it, it is a sell order which is already open on the market. Now I will open another pending order. I will use the same buy limit pending order, just you can see what this means. A buy limit order, again, it is a pending order, which means I would like to place a trade on a MetaTrader 5 at the price which is below the current market price. So I will put it at 1.00240. And when I click place, a new order will be sent to the broker server and it will wait until the market reaches 1.00240 and then it will open, where I'm expecting the price will continue to move up. I will click place and it's done. and here you can see. In the trade tab, you can see it is position Euro USD sell, which is already open, and there is Euro USD buy limit, it is placed. When you go to the chart, you can see these two orders. Buy limit is in blue and the sell is in red. So the sell order, which is instant execution order, is already placed. And I'm making or losing money. In my case, I'm losing money because the market has turned around and it's going up. And I have opened a sell order, which I'm expecting the price will move down. With the buy limit, I'm expecting the price will fall down to this price, and then it will reverse back up where I will make money. If it continues to move down, I will lose money with this buy limit order. So this is all about order types in MetaTrader 4 and in MetaTrader 5 app. You can select which one you want to have, but each of these trading platforms, and MT4 and MT5, have enough order types for trading. For all market conditions, you have a specific order type which you can use. So it is the same order types that you have in a MetaTrader 4 and 5 desktop version, but on the smartphone you can easily trade whenever you want from anywhere in the world. So these are the order types. I hope you have liked this video. If you like it, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!